Hey ladies, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to fit and flatter your triangle body shape. If you missed my video about how to measure to see what your body shape is, you are going to want to go check that out first. I have linked it up above and also down below in the description. That is a must watch if you don't know what your body shape is or if you have any further questions. I am assuming if you are already here, then you know that you are a triangle shaped body. So here's what we are going to cover today. First, we're going to talk about what that means, some celebrities that share your body shape, and most importantly, your power pieces, those pieces that are really going to accentuate and balance and camouflage your body to make it look the most flattering. So let's get into it. All right, so you are a triangle. What does that mean? Well, essentially it means that your hip and thigh measurements are wider than your bust and your shoulder measurements. You are also going to have a more defined waist compared to your hips. When you look in the mirror, there is a noticeable difference between your hips and your shoulders, creating this silhouette of a triangle. Now, I like to mention celebrities that also have your similar body shape because it just helps you kind of imagine it in your head more. You can also easily go Google these celebrities and see what they are wearing and what is working or maybe not working for that specific body shape. Now, some celebrities with this triangle body shape would be Kate Winslet, Kim Kardashian, Christina Hendricks, Christina Aguilera, and Jennifer Lopez. As we are going over the pieces that are going to most flatter your body, you are going to want to remember these two styling goals. The first is to enhance your waistline and your shoulders for a more balanced silhouette. The second is because you are more bottom heavy, you are going to want to avoid drawing attention to your thighs and your hips. So as we are going about this next portion, remember those two goals. Let's get into this, into what clothes are going to fit and flatter you, and let's start at the top. When it comes to interesting tops, now is the time to go wild. If you like bright colors or bold patterns, get as creative as you want. This will create that overall balance that will accentuate your shoulders and define your waistline. Here are some of your power pieces, the pieces that you are going to really want to focus on in your closet. A V-neck and square neck work really great because they show off your collarbone, which will bring the eye upwards. A cowl neck will also have that same effect because of that draped fabric right here. It's going to bring attention and draw the eye up. Boat necks and off-the-shoulder necklines also look really great on triangle bodies. That horizontal line will help broaden the shoulders, which once again brings balance to your overall silhouette. If you want some bonus points, throw in a puff sleeve or some really good eye-catching details or printed patterns because it's gonna look really good on you. Since we are having fun on top with these prints and patterns and dimension, when it comes to our bottom half, we are going to want to keep it more subtle with darker colors. To create that overall balance, you are going to want to define your waist and then flare out on bottom. And here are some power pieces that are going to look really nice on you. When it comes to jeans, the ones that are going to look the most flattering on you are a high-waisted boot cut or a flared jean. These will do for your lower half what a strong shoulder does for your upper half by giving it a really nice balanced silhouette. If you want a skinny jean alternative that will skim across your hips and your thighs, then a straight or a skinny straight leg pant are going to be your best bet for that. Two things that you are not going to want in pants are low rise or pattern pants that are going to draw the eye downward. For a trouser option, make sure that you are looking for anything that has a flat front and not a crease. This will give your legs a structured, elongated leg line, which is so beautiful. Let's move on to dresses because, there are just so many that you can say yes to. Once again, look for some that will accentuate your small waistline, bring the eye upwards, and also flare out or skim your hips and your thighs. Some dresses that are going to look bomb on you are an A-line, a fit and flare, or a wrap dress. One dress that you will want to avoid is a drop waist dress. This is where the waistline is down at your thighs instead of at your natural waistline, which is the key piece that we want to be showing off here. So don't do that. Since we do want to be showing off your waistline, bring in belts. Belts are going to be a really easy waist to define and show that waistline off. Lastly, when it comes to hemlines in your dress or your skirts, the ones that hit right at or below your knees are going to be the most flattering. These will elongate your frame and slenderize, I think that's a word, your thighs and your hips. Now we have talked about tops and bottoms and skirts and dresses, but to top it all off, we need to talk about accessories because we want all the accessories. They are like your secret weapon. Whether it is a collar-length necklace or drop earrings or a big scarf, oof, they are so good because they bring the eye upwards. When it comes to shoes, anything with a pointed toe is awesome. They're gonna look really good on you because they are going to elongate your legs and lengthen your overall silhouette. A nude pump or shoe is also going to have the similar effect. So on the flip side of that, avoid any shoes that have a really square or rounded toe line. They're just not going to be the most flattering on your body. All right, my beautiful triangle-shaped ladies, we have talked about what it means to be a triangle shape, different celebrities that share your same body shape so you can pull inspiration from them, whether it's things you want to copy or need to avoid. And most importantly, I have shared styling tips and your key power players that you should be really incorporating into your wardrobe, and also the ones that you need to bench, the ones that just aren't doing you any favors. Above all, I just want you to feel confident in your body. It is not changing, the shape is not going anywhere, so you might as well learn how to flatter it the most, whether you are accentuating, balancing, or camouflaging different features in your body. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe down below so you know when I have released a new video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, y'all.